Guys, welcome to this new lecture. In this new lecture, we would be talking about Kubernetes service. A service can be defined as a logical set of pods. It can be defined as an abstraction on the top of the pod, which provides a single IP address and DNS name by which pods can be accessed. With service, it is very easy to manage load balancing configuration. It helps pods to scale very easily. A service is a REST object in Kubernetes whose definition can be posted to Kubernetes API server on the Kubernetes master to create a new instance. Service without selector. As you can see in the configuration here, where I'm just marking through by a mouse cursor, the above configuration will create a service with the name assigned to it. Okay. Let's quickly move to the second configuration. It is service config file with selector. As you can see here in the second figure. In this example, we have a selector. So in order to transfer traffic, we need to create an endpoint manually. As you can see here. In the above code, we have created an endpoint which will route the traffic to the endpoint defined as 192.168.168.40 and port 8080. Multi-port service creation. Now, in multi-port service creation, you can see the config here. Types of service. Now, talking about types of service, we have cluster IP. This helps in restricting the service within the cluster. It exposes the service within the defined Kubernetes cluster. As you can see here at the top. Node port. It will expose the service on static port on the deployed node. A cluster IP service to which node port service will route is automatically created. The service can be accessed from outside the cluster using the node IP node port, as you can see here. Now, coming on to load balancers. It uses cloud providers load balancer. Node port and cluster IP services are created automatically to which the external load balancer will route. A full service YAML file with service type as node port is as below, as you can see on the screen right now, and I would highly suggest that students should create one themselves. Okay, so with that, I'm taking a pause here to end this lecture. In the next lecture, we would be talking about a few more things to finish this particular topic. So thank you very much.